Okay, this is a video to explain what has been done on this job and what needs to be done. So just to start, this is a program that follows a specific investment strategy. This strategy will be disclosed to whoever wins the job or gets hired for the job. But just wanted to explain what so far has been done. Another programmer has basically done about 80 to 85% of the work and done a very nice job on it. I have all the open code for you to work with. So let me just explain to you what the program does. It goes, and I'm just going to say, let's say General Electric, Google, Ford Motor Company, let's say IBM, and Microsoft. Okay, so I input these, and this is going to pull from Yahoo Finance starting on January 1st, 2011. By the way, I can customize this all over. So let's go here and pick January of 2008. So from 1/1 of 2008, I want to download and plot General Electric, Google, Ford, IBM, and Microsoft. And in a moment, it comes up and shows all the different stocks. Now, one of the things that needs to be done, as you can see here, you can see where General Electric is this blue line, Microsoft is the purple line, Ford Motor Company is this orange line, and then we have our portfolio strategy, and that happens to be right here. Okay, what I need done at this point is that all of these charts, first of all, need to start down here at 0. So that's assuming a certain investment. But what I need is all of these to be starting at 0, not at kind of a randomness here. So that's first of all. The second thing is the portfolio, the investment strategy. Basically what we're going to be doing, the strategy is moving between, in this case, Microsoft, General Electric, Google, IBM, and Ford. And like I say, the person who wins this, I will disclose it's not very difficult, it's second grade math that we're using. But for some reason the portfolio is starting up here. That needs to be here too, because what I need to show people is, okay, here's what all 5 of these stocks did since starting date, and here's what the portfolio did. So do you want to buy the stocks or do you want to buy the portfolio? So that's the first thing that needs to be done. We need to tweak the math on the portfolio line so it follows the strategy, and we need to change these so everything starts at a 0. The second thing that needs to be done is I need, for when we take a look at the span of data that we have here, what was the average annualized return? That needs to be displayed here, okay? Also, capital growth. The last programmer and I just said, let's just say we have a hypothetical 100,000 American dollars. What would have been the profit? That needs to be displayed here. And then we see symbol 1 through 5. Well, what I also need here is symbol 1. What was the percentage growth rate? How much did it make average annualized return? How much did General Electric? So we would list that there. Google's number 2. What's the average annualized return for Google? Ford is number 3. What's the average annualized return for Ford? And I need those to be displayed. The other thing that I need, and as you can see here, I just went ahead and clicked that button. the data is just wrong. I don't know kind of what it's displaying here, but as you can see, it's not displaying capital gains or average annualized return correctly. Also, I need a little text file or something to jump up and show me what changes were made in the portfolio and when. So basically, in the real world, a person can run the software, download and plot it, manage the portfolio, and then click export changes in portfolio, so the person, or myself, knows what I need to sell in the portfolio and what I need to buy in the portfolio. And once again, I'm talking like a person who manages money, because that's what I do for a living. We're talking second grade math here. It's very simple once you see it. So I need this to be able to be clicked, and as you can see, we get some sort of a error message. Anyways, well, now that has all disappeared. So what I'm going to do is basically I need somebody who is proficient in .NET. That's what it has been coded in, .NET. Also, by the way, I just want to be real clear. I need somebody who really knows how to program in .NET. The other person was very good, but .NET he was kind of learning as he was going. So I just need somebody who, at a fairly fast pace can turn this job around and finish it. My original bid on this job with the other person was $100. If anyone can complete this job fairly fast, which I've got to assume can be done fairly fast because all the basic work has been done, just a quick $50, that's what I'm putting this job up at. And so, any questions, let me know. Email me if you have any questions, but I do want this job to kind of be done as fast as possible. Also, there is going to be an additional job that's going to be that I need, in addition to the software. I need for people to be able to put 20 or 30 or 40 different symbols in and have the software run basically an optimization to say which blend of stocks or mutual funds would have been the best performance historically. But that's not in this job. That's the next job as soon as I get the software running correctly. So I hope this makes sense. Once again, most of the work is done. I really just need somebody to come in and clean this up and finish the calculations. So thank you very much.